Today we about to install these turn signals on this Altima right here. We got two of them, two LEDs, official ones, not some stock shit, man. Stop being basic, man. Some official shits. Let's get it. These are your stocks, basic bulbs, and these are your officials right here. Stop being basic, man. Upgrade your shit. Alright, we about to install these LEDs, XBs. These are not the switchbacks, these are the regular LEDs, so it's gonna just blink one color. Mine gonna be red, so it's gonna blink red. Alright, let's get it. We're gonna do the driver side first. This is your bulb right here. Right here. Right here. Alright, all you gotta do is twist left. There you go. Alright. Now, this is your stock bulb right here. All you gotta do is push down, twist left, and it pops right out. Boom. Alright. Let's get the other one. Bam! Look at this shit. Official. See the red in there? It's gonna turn red. I'm gonna turn on the parking lights. Alright, let's put this in. Easy. Alright, twist down. Right. So it locks, so it don't fall out. Let's put it back in the hole in there. Back in the hole. Put it in there. So we go in there, you turn right. Lock in. Alright. See how it looks. Alright. And this is the red right here. It look better at night. Let's dim this down a little. Yeah, that's the red right there. Uh-huh. Red. Way better than the orange. Stock bulb. Alright, see how it look like when you turn on the signal. This how it look like when you turn on the signal. Official. Look at that. See, because they're LEDs, they blink fast like that. If you want to stop that, you gotta put a resistor in these. So I don't mind, so I'm gonna keep it flashing like that. Alright, is it? Other side. Let's do the other side actually. Let's do the other. Alright, as you see, orange. Look at that orange color. Let me get this down. It's orange. Ugly compared to the red one. The red one. Look at this one. Way better. Way better. Alright, let's do that. Now, the passenger side, the harder side, it's right there. This is what it is at right here. You gotta squeeze your finger, your hands in here. Squeeze your hands in there. Go in there, or just go up here. Turn it to the left. Like this. Bam. Pop it out. Pop. Easy as that. If you could squeeze your hand in, you good. Twist left, pop it out, pop. These are the XBs. Official ones. Red. You know, because it matched my car, so I might as well make it red. I'll probably do one on a white one. But, alright, these are it. Let's put it in. Let's put it in. Go down, squeeze down, turn it right so it locks. And sharp put it in there. Oh, go on it in, make sure you don't break the bulb. You don't want to do that. Stand. It's the hard part, man. I hate this side. This side is stupid. Alright, so we get in there. Get in. Turn it right. Use the other hand. in this, turn it. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Alright, nice and tight. There you go. Red. There you go. Nice red. Way better than orange. See that? Woo. Ooh. These are the bulbs. It will blink like that until you decide to put the resistor on there. And yeah.
Alright, and that was all. 2 seconds. So, if you got any questions, comment below. Hit me up on Choose Mechanics Instagram. I'm on there. And like and subscribe. I got more coming.